Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mo and we are deep diving into the law of attraction and manifestation over on the channel here. So I hope you're ready to join us for what will be a 21-day manifestation challenge where we are bringing something cute, something fun, something lovable, something awesome, something amazing for the summer. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick around. I do have a few videos that I've already done on what the law of attraction is, what manifestation is, my interpretation, because everybody has slightly different interpretations of what all this woo-woo stuff is. So definitely check out the entire playlist if you're just joining us now. But today I'm going to be talking about some myths. It just sounds weird whenever I say it, but I'm going to be talking about a few myths surrounding manifestation and the law of attraction, some things that come up all the time, and I just want to discuss them a little bit first before we jump into the challenge. So let's deep dive right in. Now, myth number one is that the law of attraction is just about positive thinking. Like, yeah man, just think positive and things will come in your life, all good things. I mean, positivity is for sure a big part of manifestation, but there is much more than positive thinking when it comes to manifestation. Manifestation takes a quite concentrated effort of focus and it does take action too. People think that it's just magic. You think positive things and you think about what you want to create into your life and it's just gonna poof appear. No, it's a whole process and it does involve some action. What people get confused of is the type of action they're supposed to take. They think that they're going to do something and it will manifest something into their life, as opposed to listening to the universe and doing what the universe is telling you what to do. That's where people kind of get the action part of manifestation mixed up all the time, thinking that is just laying around on your couch thinking, oh, I would like a cheeseburger and some fries right now, and poof, it appears. No. So that's just kind of, if you start to focus on cheeseburger and fries, you're going to start seeing ads for it on TV. You might get a tweet that says, from a delivery company that says, here's a special from a cheeseburger place. The universe will start to show you signs of things that you can do to manifest it into your life, but it doesn't just work like magic. Myth number two is that all you need to do is set some intentions, and then again, the universe will just make it magically appear into your life. Intention is a big part of manifestation. You have to set intentions because that helps you to get clear on what you want into your life. But that's just one of the steps. Again, it helps you to bring focus, because a big part of manifestation is focusing your energies on what you want and matching the vibration of whatever it is that you want to bring into your life. And so setting an intention of bringing it is just step one. Like, okay, this is what I want, and now I'm gonna throw those positive feelings behind it, and then I'm gonna act. Yes? Now, myth number three is that manifestation always results in a positive outcome. If you watch the very first video in this series, you will realize that the law of attraction is something that's working, whether you believe in it or not, whether you know about it or not. It's just always working. Like attracts like. Whatever energy level that you are on, you will vibrate on that. When you're vibrating on that energy level, you're gonna attract more of that energy into your life. Therefore, if you are on a negative energy level, you will attract more negativity into your life. And that's where positive thinking is not going to beat out your vibration. If you are a negative person, you're just going to keep attracting negativity into your life. If you hate someone, hate is like the lowest possible energy level, guess what? People not gonna like you neither. And that's just generally how it works. Whatever your energy is, that's the match that you are attracting into your life. And so no, manifestation does not always result in a positive outcome. And people can use it try to use it for negative things as well. But we have to remember that it's going to actually bring me to myth number four, is that manifestation does not remove free will. Manifestation is a process of creating energy around what you want into your life and you using your free will. But can I attract a specific person into my life? Can I make someone else do something? they have free will too, girl. And so if they are not on the energy level that you are on, it's not a match. And that is the biggest point that we're missing about manifestation, is that it's all about the energy that you're emitting. You can only attract things that are on the same energy level as you are. And so if that person that you're trying to make do something is not on that vibes, them not gonna do it. Them just not gonna do whatever. And I'm going to do a whole other video on, can you attract a specific person into your life, because that is something that comes up a lot in the world of manifestation. And I'm just like, girl, why would you want to attract a specific person in your life? What we should be trying to attract is the best person for us. Now, if the universe decides that that person is the best person for us at that point in time, then sure. But you don't want to try and engage anybody else's free will. Focus on yourself, stay in your lane. You can only control your thoughts and your emotions. And the quicker you realize that, is the quicker that you will start to get your energy level on the field where you can attract some amazing things into your life, right? Finally, manifestation is not easy. So, you know, it's not just positive thinking. I mean, if it was, the whole world would be doing it. So no. Myth number 5 is that manifestation is easy. Let me tell you something, it is not as easy as you think it is. Take it from someone who has been following the law of attraction and manifestation for years, maybe 8-9 years. I have no idea. I should really go back and see when, because I know when it was that I got in tune to all of this stuff. And still yet, it is not easy for me to just manifest things into my life. There's a whole thought process. There's a whole process, not even just thought. There's a whole process that you have to go through, smashing your limiting beliefs, having a look at your thoughts and your beliefs and what you think is possible for you. And really and truly, because you've lived life, you've had all these experiences that are determining your beliefs and what you really think is possible for you. And it takes sometimes years of work to kind of smash those limiting beliefs and believe that you are worthy of different. And so manifestation is not an easy process, but it is possible and it can happen, and it's fun. It's actually very, very fun. So I really and truly hope that you will be joining us on this 21-day manifestation challenge. If you want to get all the videos, all the information, all the worksheets that I recommend for this challenge, then you can grab that at the link in the description below and dive right in, do it at your own pace. But I will be doing these videos over the course of the summer so that we can all manifest something amazing into our life to close out the crazy year that has been 2021. All right, I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that the next video in the series, when it is loaded, you will get that notification that it is ready for you to deep dive into this manifestation process. This has been Mo. Please follow me on Instagram and let us manifest some beautiful things into our life. I will see you all in the next one.